Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to turn off the option for our talkback function to speak passwords. So, where to turn off speaking passwords allowed in our Samsung Galaxy S22? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here we have our talkback function. In here, in settings, we have speak passwords. By default, this option is turned on, but if it's not, we can find it here. We want to turn it off. So right now, when we have talkback enabled, passwords will be spoken only through headphones. So that's it. No need to save, just back out to our home screen and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.